Hello friends, welcome back to my channel of vegetarian recipes. I am Dr. Mamta and today I'll be showing you a very special dish from Gujarat, which is Undhiyu. It is made of winter vegetables and normally it's made in an earthen pot which is buried underground upside down, covered with earth, and a fire is lit over it and the vegetables are cooked inside it. But I am modifying this recipe to suit the urban kitchen. I'll be also using less oil, so I'll be pressure cooking the vegetables. Some of the vegetables like Surti Papdi and the hara chana and the fresh tuar, and that is the pigeon peas, might not be available everywhere, so you can substitute the Surti Papdi with any flat beans of your choice, and the hara chana and the tuar you can substitute it with green peas. The methi muthias I have tried, but if you're calorie conscious or you don't want to use that much oil, then you can always steam the muthias and then put it in the undhiyu at the end, and it gets cooked really well and tastes good too. So let's start with the recipe. The vegetables which we need for undhiya, the most important is a purple yam, which I have peeled and cut into big pieces. Then this is sweet potato, which I have already boiled and cut into pieces. The banana, raw banana, papdi, and this is the hara chana and the danas that come out of the papdi, surti papdi. So this I have boiled it, and these are baby potatoes which I have boiled and removed the peel, and baby brinjals which I have already cut. I have not separated the pieces, it's whole. So the first step to making undhiya is to make the methi muthia or the methi pakoda or methi fritters. So for that I am putting 1 cup fresh methi leaves chopped, half a cup besan or gram flour, about 1/4 cup wheat flour, some salt, 1 spoon sugar because methi leaves are bitter, about 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 very small pinch of hing or asafoetida, some dhania powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, some turmeric, some green chilies, you can add more or less, grated ginger. So we'll now mix this. These ingredients are mixed. I'm just going to put some water, just a little bit. The wheat flour helps make these muthias a little soft. We'll fry this on a medium flame for a long time so that they are cooked well from inside and golden brown on the outside. So we'll make the muthias. I have oiled my hands. So it has to be of a little sticky consistency. So we'll make this into rounds like this. I have fried them, but you can also steam them in a cooker for about 5 to 10 minutes and then use them in the undhiya. So I have fried the muthias. So we'll keep this aside and we'll start with cooking the vegetables first. For that I have heated a pan. I'll put about 3 to 4 teaspoons oil, some ajwain, carom seeds, a pinch of hing, we'll stir it a bit, some green chili paste. I'll just add a little more. And once that is cooked, I'll be adding some ginger, which is both the hing, the ginger and ajwain, that is the carom seeds, help in digestion. This is some onion paste which I have taken, about 2 medium sized onions. I have ground it into a paste and I am frying this. I have not used garlic, but if you want you can use green garlic, so you can add it at this stage. So let's fry this properly. Now the onion paste is cooked. I am putting the papdi and the kan pieces. So this is normally fried in oil, cooked in oil, but I am using less oil, so I am going to add some water to cook the vegetables, and I'll add some turmeric to give it some nice color, and we'll mix this and close it. So let this cook for some time. So the papdi and the kand has cooked for about 10 minutes. So now at this stage I am putting the raw banana and the brinjals and cook it for some time. So we'll wait till these vegetables are half done. It's almost 5 minutes and the brinjals are sort of half cooked. So at this point I'll put the sweet potatoes and the dana and the hara chana. Remember, I've already cooked this in the cooker, so that's why I'm putting it towards the end. It saves a lot of time. And these are the baby potatoes, so I'll just stir it, and at this point I'm going to put the salt. So about 1 teaspoon salt, and I'll just stir it, and we'll let this cook for some time. See how delicious it's looking. So I've cooked it for about 4-5 minutes. Some dhania powder. I'll just be putting some dhania powder. Jeera powder. That is cumin powder. Some chopped dhania leaves, which will give us a really fresh green color and flavor. These are the fried muthias, the methi muthias, so I'll add this. If you do not want to use the fried muthias, I mean if you're calorie conscious or you're on a diet, then you can use some chopped methi leaves. You can fry it when you're frying the onion paste. That will also give a good aroma. And now I have kept this on a low flame, and now I'll be adding the fresh grated coconut. So this will look really nice and green. So this is a Gujarati dish, so in goes some sugar. You can skip this if you want. Now I'll switch off the gas. The undhiya is almost done. So now I'm going to put some lemon juice, about 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then we'll stir it. Our undhiyu is ready. You can serve it with chapatis or you can serve it with puris. So friends, if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.